What if you could instantly make your daily grind disappear? Not by avoiding tasks, but by changing how you do them. We're talking about a kind of cleverness that makes you wonder why you ever did things the hard way. Imagine laundry, cooking, or cleaning suddenly feeling light. These 13 Japanese ideas aren't just hacks. They're complete game changers that redefine simple living. You know that feeling when you stare at a pile of chores and just can't? Well, what if it's not your fault? There's a powerful Japanese idea that says your brain isn't lazy, it's just overloaded. It's not that you lack willpower. The problem is that the system for doing things is broken. Number 1. Suica and Pasmo YC cards for instant transit and payments. Imagine rushing to catch a train. Instead of fumbling for the right ticket or digging for cash, you just tap a card and walk through. That's the genius of IC cards like Suica and Pasmo. This single card instantly handles all your train and bus fares. But it gets even smarter. You can use that same tap to buy a drink from a vending machine or grab a snack at a convenience store. It's a brilliant fix for daily friction. This clever idea improves your public life. But what about at home? Number 2. Train platform queue markings that streamline boarding. Some ideas are so smart, you'll wonder why they aren't everywhere. Waiting for a train can be a mess. A crowd of people all trying to push on at once. But in Japan, they have a simple fix. Painted lines on the platform show you exactly where the train doors will be. People form 2 neat lines on either side, leaving a clear path for everyone getting off. It's a brilliant, low-tech solution that instantly gets rid of the chaos. This is about making public spaces work better. But what about improving your own personal space? Number 3. Real-time train arrival displays throughout stations. There's a special kind of stress that comes from not knowing. Is your train on time? Is it delayed? That uncertainty can make any wait feel 10 times longer. But in Japan, they fix this with constant information. You'll see large, clear digital screens everywhere, not just on the platform, but throughout the entire station. They instantly tell you if your train is on schedule, giving you peace of mind to relax. This simple clarity makes a huge system feel manageable. Number 4. Convenience stores that combine shopping, bill payment, ticketing, and banking. Think about all the little errands that eat up your day. A separate trip to pay a bill, another to the bank, another to a ticket office. It's a hassle that drains your energy. Japan fixes this with its incredibly smart convenience stores. They aren't just for snacks, they're one-stop shops for life's chores. You can pay your utilities, pick up concert tickets, use an ATM, and even ship a package. This clever system turns a dozen annoying tasks into one quick, simple stop. This makes running errands shockingly simple. But this smart thinking also shows up in the most unexpected places. Number 5. Parcel redelivery scheduling with precise delivery windows. You know that little paper slip? The "Sorry we missed you" note is a universal symbol of frustration. Your package is close, but you have no idea when they'll try to deliver it again. Japan has a brilliantly simple fix for this. Instead of leaving you guessing, you can instantly schedule a redelivery. Number 6. Taku Haibin luggage forwarding services for hands-free travel. Traveling with big suitcases is a nightmare, especially in crowded cities. Dragging them upstairs and through packed train stations is exhausting. Japan has a brilliantly simple fix for this. It's a service that lets you send your luggage ahead to your next destination. You just drop your bags at your hotel or even a convenience store, and they'll arrive at your next stop the following day. This clever system lets you travel totally hands-free. Number 7. Plastic food displays that make restaurant decisions easy. Choosing what to eat in a new country can be stressful. You can't read the menu, and you have no idea what the food actually looks like. Japan has a brilliantly simple fix for this. Outside many restaurants, you'll find incredibly realistic plastic models of every single dish. This clever idea removes all the guesswork. You see the portion size, the ingredients, everything. Don't speak the language? No problem, just point to order. It's a smart system that makes deciding what to eat fast and easy. Number 8. Coin lockers that provide convenient temporary storage. Nothing ruins a day of exploring like dragging your bags everywhere. It's a huge pain. Japan has a simple, brilliant fix for this: coin lockers. You'll find them in almost every train station and tourist spot, with sizes for everything from a small backpack to a massive suitcase. It's a clever system that lets you instantly stash your stuff and explore the city completely hands-free, turning a huge annoyance into a non-issue. Number 9. Platform screen doors that improve safety and passenger flow. A crowded train platform can be a stressful place, especially with that open edge right next to the tracks. Japan's solution is simple but brilliant: platform screen doors. These are glass walls that create a physical barrier, and the doors only slide open when the train is perfectly in place. This smart design nearly eliminates platform accidents, which improves safety and helps keep the entire system running on time. It's a clever fix that turns a chaotic space into a safe, orderly one. Number 10. Public restroom privacy sound machines that solve an awkward everyday problem. Let's be honest, public restrooms can sometimes feel a little exposed. It's a universal anxiety. To deal with it, many people flush the toilet constantly just for cover noise, which wastes a massive amount of water. So Japan came up with a brilliantly simple fix. It's a small device on the wall, often called the Sound Princess. With just the wave of a hand, it plays a loud flushing sound. Number 11. Color-coded transit maps and signage that simplify navigation. A big city subway map can be a nightmare. A confusing web of lines and names, especially when you can't read the language. Japan's fix is brilliantly simple. Every single train line gets its own unique color and its own letter. So, instead of searching for a complicated station name, you just follow the red signs for station M16. Number 12. Vending machines that provide quick access to drinks and essentials almost everywhere. Imagine needing a hot coffee at 3 a.m. or an umbrella during a sudden downpour. In most places, you're just out of luck. But in Japan, a fix is almost always a few steps away. Vending machines are practically everywhere, and they sell way more than just soda. You can find machines dispensing hot cans of soup, fresh fruit, and even dress shirts. Number 13. Highly punctual public transportation that minimizes waiting and uncertainty. We've all had that feeling of anxiously checking our watch, wondering if the bus or train will ever show up. It's a low-level stress that just drains your energy. In Japan, that feeling basically disappears. Their public transport is famously, almost unbelievably on time. We're talking punctual down to the second. It's considered a major event.